This is how I turned the Suiika model from this to this. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. So first, we have the model already imported into VTube Studio. We're gonna double click our screen, which is gonna open up our menu items, and we're gonna click the cog button next to the Steam logo. It's gonna open up our model settings. We're gonna hit hotkey settings and expression editor, and we're gonna click the expression editor button with the cute cat, and we're gonna create a new expression for our model. Now that we're into our expression editing page for our model, we're gonna have fun and use a bunch of sliders for this part. And one thing I really like about this model is that saturation levels gives us a lot of options to choose from for colors, especially during the eyes and for the clothes. It's really fun. It's almost like playing dress up. Now we're in close so you guys can see a little bit more of the makeup details that I'm working on right now. And I am just blown away by this model. Suiika gives you two options to choose from for VTube Studio for the model. You could either have a 4K version or a 2K version. And I'm working on the 4K one, and I'm blown away. Now that I'm finished with my eyes and makeup, you can see that I changed up my hair a little bit and added some dog ears. If you guys didn't know anything about my VTuber lore, I'm a runaway princess turned pirate captain from a faraway kingdom. I escaped an arranged marriage, managed to find myself in an apple barrel, which was then hoisted onto a pirate vessel. And that's a long story, so I'm not going to continue with it. That's for the debut. Now that that's all settled through though, I'm gonna play a speedrun, some music, and we're just gonna chill as I pretty much tackle all the toggles that I possibly can until the end when I'm ready to show you guys how to save these hotkeys. See you then. We're where we are at right now, and I apparently have 4 arms. We're gonna name the expression on top, which is what I'm doing right now. It's calling it edited Haru. I'm gonna save that next to the mouse with cheese, and we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna see it in the E's. I'm not sure why I'm going all the way down to E's, don't mind me. And as a reminder, when you have these toggles turned on, they're gonna show throughout the whole expression. So these 4 arms will stay as they are, and I didn't realize this until after I had saved it. So what I'm doing now is I'm going in and I'm only turning off that top part. The toggle's turned on, so when I activate the hotkey, it's on, but when I turn it off, you don't see it visibly through the model. Toggles are turned off. We're gonna have a bunch of our hotkeys on our right next to these like global logos. So I'm gonna scroll all the way down, and I'm going to go to where the plus sign is on the bottom. I'm going to enter a hotkey. You can see the one above it, which is what I actually am working on, or what I had finished. And I'm gonna name it wow. So now that we have the set unset expression click and the expression is now named, we're gonna go into key combination. So key combinations are really cool. You're gonna see what I'm gonna do in a couple of moments, but you're gonna choose what key combination you'd like to activate this hotkey, which is changing the model from the base model to our edited one. Boom! Magic. Just like that, at the click of a middle mouse button, you have your very own edited Suiika model. She is so cute. I'm gonna love using this model. And look at that. If you guys follow this, you'll also have your very own customizable Suiika model. I stream on Twitch when I can, and I post a lot of whips and art when I get the chance. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you have fun creating your own Suiika model. Bye-bye. See you on the next one when I post.